It is very important to recover from the side effects of vomiting. In this video, we are going to tell you 5 things you must do after throwing up. Before starting, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon for latest videos and updates. Let's start quickly. Rinsing your mouth. Immediately after vomiting, rinse your mouth with plain water to remove all the stomach acids from your mouth to avoid the corrosion of the tooth enamel. Gargle with mouthwash to get rid of the smell. After vomiting, tooth enamel becomes soft, and therefore it is always advised not to brush the teeth immediately after vomiting. Drink water. Vomiting causes dehydration, and to rehydrate your body, plenty of water is required. Therefore, immediately after vomiting, you must drink water. You can also go with lemon water. Drink water slowly and in less quantity, as drinking plenty of water might make you feel nauseous again. Herbal teas. Herbal teas are excellent for digestion and protecting the digestive tract. Evidence say that the ginger tea is excellent for nausea. Rest. Vomiting removes the water and the essential nutrients from the body, thus making us feel fatigued and restless. Therefore, proper rest must be taken to allow your body to heal. Cranberry juice. Drink some cranberry juice to avoid the awful taste coming from your mouth. Also, you can sip in some Gatorade to rehydrate yourself. What do you do after vomiting? We'd love to read your reviews in comments. This was all for now. For more videos and updates, subscribe to Healthy Primix and ring the bell icon for latest videos and updates. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.